Okay, I'm screen recording this for Mechatronics homework. On the right side you see the MyRio. I'll wave my hand here to show that it's live. And starting with 1-1, this one is just the on for 2 seconds. So clicking play, the lights will turn on for 2 seconds and then turn back off and it'll finish it. 1-2, this is when they will go across and turn on each one. Turns on, moves to the next one. The block diagram can be seen on the left. They'll continue to go until the stop button is pressed right here. It will finish its sequence and then it will be stopped. And it counts with this numeric here how many times it has gone around the loop. Next, 1-3 is similar to the previous one, but it will stop after 5. As you can see, it is a similar block diagram to the last one, but this time it has a counter, and once it reaches 5, it will do one last sequence and end. You can see with this numeric here on the left side, it is counting. As number LED 3 turns off, it will count to the next one and continue going. Then it finishes after the 5th repetition. Now, 2-1. This one is when it will turn off and on depending on if the button is pressed or not. So, clicking play. The button is controlled by, the light is controlled by the button, that is. It's simple and easy, and it counts the number of times it is pressed, which can be seen on the very bottom here. And then 2-2. Here's the block diagram for it. This is one where it will turn on for 2 seconds when the button is pressed and released. So clicking start, and it will show you how many times the button is clicked. Simple, and it has the number of counts on the left side. 2-3, here's the block diagram for it. This one was a simple on and off when the button is pressed, showing the number of presses, off and on. Simple. 2-4. You can run it. This is the one where all of them will turn on for 2 seconds. And then only number 1 is controlled. The number of button clicks can be seen on the left side. 2-5. This is the one where we'll be going down the list 1 through 4, or 0 through 3, I suppose, turning it on and off for 2 seconds. Also can show the number of clicks, number of presses, It shows you the loop number as well. And then number 3, here's a block diagram for it, given a range of values so it does not include everything that it senses. It can be run, and when it's not moving there's no lights, but when it starts being shaken left and right, the light will turn on for each different direction and displayed on the graph. And that's all of them.